Good morning everybody, Calm Biker here. I'm in Lincolnshire. Don't let them know, but we crossed the border without permission. I'm off to visit 3 churches. Got Chris behind me, as you might imagine. If you follow my videos, you'll know Chris loves a church. It's a Sunday morning. I'm not sure what that means for us visiting churches. Wandering into a church where there's a full congregation and Chris saying his usual things about the imagery might not be looks particularly favourable. We're off to 3 churches. He only knows about 2 of them. I've put a surprise one in for him. The first one we're off to is a church that's been on the news recently quite a bit in this area. I don't know if it's reached the news anywhere else or not. It's in a place called Dry Doddington, and it's a church called St James's Church. And the reason it's been in the news is they're trying to raise money, raise £100,000 or something for repairs, but not to the thing you would expect them to be repairing. I think it's just general repairs. The strange thing about the church that I only know about because it's been on the news, and Chris sent us a message and said, oh, should we go and see that, is it leans. It's got a tower on it, or a steeple, I don't know what the correct terminology would be, but the tower on it leans by something like 5.1 degrees. Apparently it was underpinned many years ago, so it's not going to fall over and it's not going to get any worse, but it leans by 5.1 degrees. To put that into context, apparently the tower with the biggest lean on it in the world is a German tower that leans by 5.19 degrees. So only 0.9 of a degree different. Though I suppose when you're comparing it to 5.1, that's it's big enough difference, isn't it? But it leans by 5.1 degrees. Also, to put it into context, the Leaning Tower of Pisa leans by, I believe, 3.9 degrees. This leans more than the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but gets fewer visitors, I believe. There is a story, how true it is I don't know, but there is a story that the church was built and underneath it, I guess before it was built, they put the bodies of plague victims. I'm not sure if the implication there is that the plague victims are making the tower lean. Welcome to Norton Disney. Coming in from a different direction this time. This looks a lot more modern. That's the little church where the Disney family are. The dead relatives of Walt Disney. This is Doddington Lane, and the first church is at Dry Doddington, so we can't be far away. Another clue to not being far away is it says 1 mile away on the TomTom. Here we are, Dry Doddington. Yeah, that does lean. So this is St James at Dry Doddington. And there really is one heck of a lean on that tower. I didn't really expect 5 degrees to be that obvious, but it really is. Hey!
Is that it?
Took a bit of doing.
That's better. Easy if I walked up to it. Built 1654.
Alright.
Last times James Ainsworth changed his socks.
Right. So just before 5 to 5.
Yep. There's a sundial around there.
Oh, if there's a sundial, I know you like a sundial. Hey. You think they could have lit the beacon for us, couldn't you?
You think they could, wouldn't you?
That was savages.
Do not play ball.
That would be impressive, wouldn't it?
Oh, wait, you can see that leaf, can't you?
Okay, there is a sundial. It's a bit of a tiddler. What is it about us visiting churches and noisy dogs? Shut up! That's a very good picture of the Lean.
That is here. This is a good one here. And if you get that part in there, that's quite. See the,
Can you go in?
no, it's close. Uneven surface.
It's what it says.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm not surprised.
fair enough.
I'm not surprised really.
If you can hear me above the barking dogs. There you go, St James's Church. I think this is what shows off the Lean the most, is this bit of the building is upright. And if you follow the line up, suddenly the tower breaks away.